Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanung Motors. Today we have 2014 Renault Scenic. I done the service. I'm going to show you how to reset service light or spanner light. I'm going to start the car first. Card into the slot. Start the car. You can see as it is service required, spanner light on. I'm going to show you how to reset this light. I done the service, then after that I'm going to reset this light. Switch off the car. Now ignition on. Don't going to press brake or clutch pedal. If you press brake or clutch pedal, it will start. No need to start the car. Just take out the foot from the pedals. Just press once this button. Ignition on mode. After that, there is a stick. I need to press top arrow. I'm going to press now. Press once. Service required. Press again. Average. Again press it. Distance. Again press. Range. Again press. Average. Again press. Fuel. Again. Again. Service required. Tire pressure. Service intervals. When you come to this message, you need to press and hold this one. I'm going to do it now. Press and hold. Keep holding. Service in 12,000 mileage, 0 months. Again, I'm going to release this button and press again. Press and holding. Still 0 month. It's blinking. It's coming to the 12 months. After once you come into the 12 month, you have to release immediately. Switch off the car. And I'm going to start the car. But still spanner light there. I'm going to repeat again. Switch on the ignition. Go with top arrow. Parking brake. Service required. Average. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Service interval. Now I'm going to press and hold this button again. Press and hold. It's coming 18,100 miles, 12 months. Now I am release this button again and press. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Now it's blinking. Still keep pressing. Service in 18,100, 12 miles. Then release it. Once you reset oil service, then you have to press one more again. Once you press, it's coming to the oil change in 1,800, 0 months. Oil change. Press and hold that button. Blinking. Keep holding. It's coming to the 24 months and 18,100. Then after that you can release the button. Then service in 18-12 months. Oil change 18-24 months. That's it. Then after that you can switch off the car and you need to start the car. Once you start the car, you can see as it is, spanner light disappeared. Basically this car has a two type service system. First one, mileage, and the days. Second one, oil service. This one again, mileage and dates. You have to reset the both, otherwise service light panel not going to disappear. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us. Also press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Thanks for watching. See you with another video.